So now, guys, in this video, we are going. This is our fourth class of PHP, and in this video, we are going to talk about output. So how can we print the variables and values in PHP? So we have learned the basic of echo or print function, but now in this class, we are going to learn more in detail about these things. So first of all, suppose I want to print something here. So this echo. So to print, basically we use echo and print function, print variables. So here I'm just going to print something. So PHP is fine. So if I print this, it will print smoothly. But if I want to make the font, if I want to make it heading, so I can use h1 here, h1 tag and h2 tag. So the HTML tag works perfectly in echo functions or echo variables, whatever you can say. So function will say function here. So let's save it and let's see what is the output here. If I refresh it here, and as you can see, Python is fun and it is printing in heading. And I use the h1. I should have used the h1 here, so it won't make any difference. So if I guys change a little bit here, let's print something different in a different way. So suppose let's print something different here. So I'm about to learn PHP. Okay, and after that I can use BR tag, which is break line tag, to get to go to next line, and I can use here. I can, if I print, if I want to print like it's array. So how can I do that? I can use comma here, string or was made sorry with multiple parameter. So if I print like this, or if I printing different parameters, so can I print it? So let's see, and just terminate with semicolon. If I refresh it, so let's see the result, and it can, you can see we can use multiple parameters to print any sentences. So you can use multiple parameter to print you in one echo function. So let's see, if I write print in place of echo, will it make difference? So let's see, print and print. So you can see print is not going to support multiple parameter and it is showing an error. So let's see what does it say. And as you can see, it is showing error right now. So print does not support multi parameters. So let's remove this one and see the result. Let's see the result again. And as you can see, I'm about to learn. And the first one is heading, which is PHP is one. So yeah, so we can say that echo and print function are very much similar, but in some case it may differ. So you have to be careful about when you are using both, and if you thinking that you can use print and echo function at the same time. So you have to be aware of that. And yeah, so yeah, that's how you can use output function, which is echo and print in PHP. And yeah, this is our fourth class. So we'll try to finish our PHP course within 10 days. So please stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye bye.